Shizuka. I have an amazing gadget.
This is the time compass. It can take us to any time period.
Wow. Shall we go on a treasure hunt? This looks so exciting. I'm not afraid of anything.
I hope the treasure is valuable. Hold on tightly, everyone!
Ha! This is amazing. This place is so beautiful, but also a little scary. This map will lead us to the treasure of time. Let's go quickly.
Solve the riddle before you cross. What keeps moving but never stops?
Time. I'll stop him! Ah!
Small light.
He became tiny. Everyone stop. Look carefully at the map.
Are we going the right way?
Woo!
Onto Dentro Awana now.
Wow!
Anyong thak we time is that word now.
This is the real treasure of time.
It's so beautiful.
The crystal will belong to me now!
We won't let you win! Together!
Attack! We can do this! We did it! Ah! Great job, friends! Ah! We really did it! Your friendship and bravery are the greatest treasures of all. I will never forget today's adventure. More adventures are waiting for us. This place looks super mysterious. I think the real adventure starts now. Wow, this magical water is beautiful. This place feels a little scary.
Only brave and kind hearts may go forward.
We come in peace. Ah! I can beat my fears. Being brave is very important.
Run, everyone! Hurry! Take copter, go! Wow, these inventions are amazing! A genius inventor made all of this long ago. Now you can never stop me! Ah! We will never give up!
Friendship is our greatest power. Together! You saved the flow of time. We fixed everything together. This was the best adventure ever! The adventure of friendship never ends. Ready for the next adventure!